Be gentle because it's fragile. Take out these corners. And then in the corner there's a 8. Did you see it?
Yeah.
And then pick this up and then pull it back. Like that. Gentle, gentle.
Can you go up?
What? This one? Well, it's kind of in the way. Here. You want to do it or? You said here.
No, you're already on your way. Fucking disrespectful.
Stop. Behave yourself.
I don't like you. You want the drill? I think I put it right there. I thought you were gonna grab it. Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's gonna look a little bit different, but if it's not for you, then nah, it's okay. Pretty much it. So then, yeah, maybe like another 40 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
Get it on, and then yeah.
You have your business card, Daniel?
Yes.
So my name Danny, you're Daniel. My son Daniel too. So.
It's a good name.
Yeah, next time I know that you're gonna give her to my friend.
Awesome, thank you. No, yeah, anything at all.
You guys around here, right? The shop?
Yeah, we live over by the Lowe's.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
so
by Lowe's?
Yeah, the other side of the freeway, so we're close.
Oh.
Just that we go all the way to Orange County, all the way to San Bernardino, everywhere.
Because there's my friend here. He just ready to replace his windshield.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, anything at all. And then best quality. And then all of the videos go on YouTube. So if you wanna look later to check it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
you can record it. I don't know.
Alrighty.
Usually I just go to park inside the thing because I cannot lock the car. If the battery dies, I cannot open the door.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no problem. I'll take care of it.
So you teach your wife or your wife teach you?
Yeah, so my dad taught me how to do it. And then when I graduated from Roosevelt, from the school here, I went straight to work. And I like it, being your own boss, make your own hours, and yeah, you're free. It's freedom.
Yeah, it's like whatever you can do, you know. Yeah, free time, independent.
Yeah, it's the best. So yeah, my dad works with my mom, and then I have my wife working with me. Yeah, so we stay busy. Yes. Just glass, door glasses, everything. Get the whole gun. Show the wrap.
Oh, what the fuck? Food.
It's so sexy Yeah. Not too bad.
I just barely bought this car. I don't know if my son gonna drive or we're gonna sell it.
Oh, okay, okay. A little SUV.
What happened?
So you guys live around here too? Or
Yeah, yeah,
by the
super
Lowe's?
close. Yeah, by the Lowe's, yeah. Yeah, we've been here for like 12, 13 years.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been here for a while.
Yeah, I moved here like 2 years. Oh, okay.
And from where?
Ontario?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, not too far.
I thought you come earlier.
No,
I was like
no.
texting you. I was,
Yeah. Yeah, no. It's good. We had appointments since yesterday.
oh, yeah.
So we'll finish them and then we barely started recording because I went to a competition.
Uh-huh.
They have like a little Olympics for. Let me see, take it off.
Yeah, it doesn't seem right.
Because they have like a little Olympics
Uh-huh.
for auto glass, and a lot of the people there, they make a lot of videos just for like exposure. So it's good because we go and then we experience a lot of things, meet a lot of people, and I just I learn as much as I can.
Yeah.
So videos.
Sometimes you still learn.
Yeah. So there's a lot of people that do auto glass, but they don't.
Everybody like BMW here.
Yeah.
Not too much.
So how long have you been here in California?
20.
And before?
I came here was 22 years ago.
Oh, really?
I came to United States about when I was 20 years old.
Oh, okay.
When I was staying in California, I was 20 years old. But before when I came like from New York,
Oh, really? Wow.
Here.
How many windshield you install in a day?
Maybe 8.
So you still have another 2 appointments?
Yep. Another 2. So yeah, we're busy all day. Thankfully the business, glass keeps on breaking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, imagine how many cars one house has. Because right now there's not one house that doesn't have at least like 3.
Yeah.
I think everyone has at least 3 cars. Now each car has maybe like 8, 12 windows. So it's a
But I
lot.
know it's like the side window is more expensive. Huh?
The more expensive ones are the little ones.
Yeah, little one.
The little one?
The three-corner one?
Yeah.
I know that because I have a friend, he breaks that window, he thinks I'm not big.
This one, it's whatever's. Yeah, because they make them all to the standards, to the car standards. So like when they make the car, they send, yeah. So they all have the same like color and shape and everything. It's just the little bit of thickness that they, yeah. So it's a little more.
If I don't clean the glass in too often, they're gonna get the same thickness.
So yeah, it's okay. Yeah, cause this window's the one that we give to like dealerships, cause the dealer doesn't care if it has a crack. They just put a new one so that they can sell for more.
Which window?
This brand. Yeah.
Oh, this one. So the dealer got the same window.
Yeah, as this one. Yeah.
This one we never went to do.
And then if you take it to BMW to do the replacement, they don't even do the replacement. They call us to go do it. And then they still make money.